exciting morning. We're heading upstate to go chase down, hopefully, a really deep powder day. We've gotten a huge nor'easter snowstorm happening over the last 2 days, and now we're finally going up to hit it. So Saturday morning, it's 4 a.m. and we're heading up there, so we're going for first tracks. And there may not be snow here, but upstate there's gonna be a lot more. As expected, there's a lot of snow up here. It looks like 20 inches came down last night. I made myself a cream cheese and jelly bagel, and we're gonna head out there. I'm trying to get out there about 10 minutes before, and I bet it's gonna be insane. I cannot wait.
Did not go according to plan.
Because I was waiting.
I was going down, I caught an edge, and I just...
Yeah, I think that's what...
Realized I didn't really even talk to you guys today. The snow conditions are absolutely, you probably can't see what I'm doing with my mittens, but they're good. They're very, very good. I'm kind of ripping right now. It's not super deep because the snow is kind of wet and heavy, but just flying through it and kind of just ripping it up is honestly the best thing about today. There was a lot of people and the lifts actually closed down earlier because, I don't know, some sort of malfunction or whatever. So we did an early lunch and then just ripped after lunch for 4 hours straight. It's beautiful. I mean, the views today are just absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, such a good day. Having so much fun. The snowstorm did so much for this mountain, so can't be any more grateful. But yeah, ripping pretty hard today.
I'm gonna ride the left. Damn, there's a lot of people.
Wow. I mean, like, wow. Today, oh man, I am definitely kind of beat. But today was what? I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Today was just unbelievable. I felt like my skiing is finally at the level I want it to be. I'm moving and so swiftly. I'm just absorbing every impact, every jump or little booter I go off of. I feel like I'm in control. I'm gonna try to go bigger sometime soon. I got something planned for you guys, which you guys are gonna love, but I'll keep it a secret for now. But the snow today, I won't lie, I expected it to be knee-deep powder when I got here, or at least deep powder, and it wasn't really. I got in some trails that it was, but they were kind of like thin cover, and I did eat it on one, and I was just like, I don't know if I really want to just do that. I think I'd rather just ride really fresh snow on top of some groomers, or just go ripping about. Skiing a lot of moguls today was probably my favorite aspect of it. And then to top it off, the views at the end of the day was just insane. Like sunset on the mountain, we're almost to the shortest day of the year, and the fact that that was that beautiful is just, I couldn't stop filming. Every spot I was like, damn, I just gotta film it. It's always like final run, like you always do that. You always just need to like take in the scenery, take in what you just experienced over the day, just kind of chill at the end of the day. And I met some new people. I took some photos for them, so that's always a good time. I love doing that. But yeah, I'm so tired, as you can tell. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night, but that definitely woke me up. So yeah, what a great day. I'm gonna go shower, get comfortable, and then gonna have a great dinner tonight. I'll show you some of that. Okay, I'm all showered. I feel very, very good and very tired because I just took a long nap, so I'm really sleepy right now. But we're gonna go eat dinner with our friends. I'm gonna go have some schnitzel and stuffed cabbage is what I think we're having, or unstuffed cabbage. And those are like really good foods. So I've been thinking about this dinner all night. It's a good meal after a good day of skiing like that. Oh, it looks beautiful right now. You just see the snow lighting it up. So gorgeous.
Come on
Hey,
in.
hey Thomas.
You got snow, eh? I've heard.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Hey Maria. All right, wow, that was one of the best meals I've ever had. If you've never had schnitzel before, you need to fix that. Speaking to today, we had such a great day, and now it is 11:30. It's a little late, but I'm gonna get up at 7, try to get first tracks tomorrow, and hopefully ski pretty good. I think it's gonna be good. We got a little more snow outside, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna get to bed, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. Got some exciting stuff planned for later, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please share, and yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.